A massive fire broke out in an air-conditioned bogie of the Bangalore-Nanded Express early on Saturday morning near Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh, leaving at least 23 people dead. Fire tenders have been deployed to douse the flames. Rescuers were seen taking out charred bodies from the train bogie. The injured people have been admitted to nearby hospitals. The reason of the fire is yet to be ascertained. According to reports, 64 passengers were traveling in the ill-fated coach and a majority of them jumped out by breaking the glass pane of the toilet cabin. The Indian Railways has announced an ex gratia of rupees 5 lakh for the next of the deceased passengers and rupees 1 lakh for seriously injured and rupees 50,000 for simple injuries. Union Railway Minister Malik Arjun Khagre has ordered a high-level inquiry into the incident.